Come on. You're gonna be putting on the wheels. Put on the wheels. Okay.
Yeah, turn it straight.
Put it straight, Papa. Like that. There you go. That's good. Now pick up another one. Let me put it. You go like this. You put it on. You put it like this. Look. Put it on. Straight. There you go. Now you take it. Put it on. Straight. Now do it again. Straight. Come on. Okay. All the way. All right. Now you're gonna take them off. Do it again. All the way. Take it off with your hand.
I'm gonna do myself.
Okay. Take the other ones off. Straight. You guys straight. Come on. The top one. I'm trying to help you. Straight.
Good job, Aiden. High five.
All right. Now put them back on. You have to turn it.
All right, buddy.
Go straight, Papa. You have to hold it straight. Don't worry about over there. Just put this. You got to put it on at least one. Ow. Okay, look. Put at least a little bit on. There you go. Now, grab the other. Go straight. All right. Now the other one.